Hello, my name is Joey Remp, and today I'll be going over my second assignment for week 2 in the class of Fundamental of Network Engineering 2. This is assignment 2.2, Wireless Networking with Radius AAA. So in this assignment, we were meant to just take the server, the wireless router, and 2 laptops, and simply get the laptops connected wirelessly to the router. So if we look in the server and go into AAA here, obviously that's on. We have the client name, which is the router, its IP, the server type, and then a little passkey to get in, and then 2 other users to sign on and connect to this. So we have call1 and sales1, and then the password call1 and sales1. So obviously we have 2 laptops here, call1 and sales1. But we'll also first look into the wireless router. We had changed the default IP to 192.168.10.1, which on here, if we look at AAA once again, that is the client IP, so it knows to connect. And we also, changed the network name to free Wi-Fi so that once again it can understand that. And then in wireless security, we changed the radius server to the 192.168.10.2, and we put in the shared secret key so that we are able to connect the server to the router. And then in the laptop, we had to take out the Ethernet port and put in a wireless card, and with that we were able to go in here and change the settings for the wireless card so that it can connect to the Wi-Fi. And I'll just show, obviously we see the slash lines show that there is a connection, but I do like to show that it is at least active and being done, and then as well the Wi-Fi card is in there. And then one final way to check and see if this works, we can also, as I've done here already, ping the IP address 192.168.10.2, and we sent for, received for, and that was for the sales computer. For the call computer, as you can see, I already did this prior to recording, but yep, sent for, received for. And we were also meant to answer 3 questions. The first was, what is WPA2 used for? So the WPA2, or Wi-Fi Protected Access 2, is a security protocol used to protect the wireless connection between the devices and the router. The WPA2 encrypts the data transmitted over Wi-Fi, ensuring that only authorized devices can connect to the network and access data. The second question was, what's the difference between WPA2 Personal and WPA2 Enterprise? And the biggest difference in this is the authentication method. WPA2 Personal uses a pre-shared key, or PSK, for authentication, meaning that all users share the same password to connect to the network. The WPA2 Enterprise uses an authentication server, such as Radius, to manage user credentials and authenticate each user individually. And that can involve various methods, including username and password like we did, smart cards, or certificates. The final question is, what's the function of the Radius server? But I feel like I kind of already answered that. It's to authenticate the WPA2 Enterprise and allow the other users to come in with their respective passwords and connect to the Wi-Fi. All in all, this was a pretty simple task. Not really much to explain here. It's kind of straightforward, at least in my eyes. But nonetheless, I thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.